Hello, good afternoon. Welcome to Hualien Elementary and Junior High School. And for today's video, we have Elvira. Okay, Elvira, thank you for joining us today. Okay, let's begin. This is our lunch.
This is our day.
This is lunch date with Teacher Mark and Elvira. Okay, so Elvira is from the 7th grade, right?
Yes.
Okay, and for today's video, Elvira, what are we going to talk about?
We are going to talk about Hualien.
Okay, so Elvira, tell me about Hualien.
Hualien is the largest and the second longest in Taiwan. Hualien is the Taiwan's most northerly and popular travel destination.
Wow, most renowned and popular travel destinations in Taiwan. Wow. Okay, and Hualien is located in the eastern part of Taiwan. Have you been to Hualien?
Yes, I have been to Hualien once.
Oh, nice. And did you like Hualien?
Yes, I very love Hualien.
Oh, nice. And how about the food? Did you like Hualien's food?
Food is delicious too.
Okay, I'm so excited. So, now tell me, what are the must-go places in Hualien? Since you've been to Hualien, then I know that you can highly recommend it.
太鲁阁国家公园
Oh, okay. This is the famous Taroko National Park.
is in
Hualien Township.
Hualien Township.
Okay.
清水断崖
Okay, Qingshui Cliff.
is in Hualien Township. 鞍湿地公园
Matai'an Wetland Geological Park.
is in
Wow.
汪夫 Township. 鲤鱼潭
Liyu Lake or Carp Lake.
is in
Xiuguluan.
东滨 Township. 花莲文创产业园区
Hualien Cultural and Creative Industries Park.
is in Hualien City. 扫把石柱
Saoba Stone Pillars.
is in Qingshui Township. 东大门夜市
Dongdamen Night Market.
is in Hualien City.
Okay.
远雄海洋公园
Okay. Farglory Ocean Park.
is in Xiuguluan Township. 松园别馆
Pine Garden.
is in Hualien City. 清新潭海边
Qixingtan Beach or the Qixingtan Beach.
is in
Qixingtan.
新千 Township. 花莲忠烈祠
Hualien Martyrs Shrine.
is in Hualien City.
Okay.
林田山林文化园区
Lintianshan Forestry Culture Park.
is in
Finland.
Hualien Township. 祥德市
Xiangde Temple.
is in Xiuguluan Township. 花莲糖厂
Okay, so Hualien Sugar Factory.
is in
Wow.
汪夫 Township. 武鹤台地茶园
Wuhe Terrace Tea Plantations.
is in Qingshui Township. 鹫溪
Xiuguluan River.
is in Qingshui,
Fangling.
Hualien and Wangfu Township. 花莲铁道文化园区
Okay. Hualien Railway Culture Park.
is in Hualien City. 瑞穗牧场
Rare Seed Ranch or Rusui Ranch.
is in Qingshui Township.
Okay, now what are the must-eat, must-try food whenever you go to Hualien?
I like 炸弹葱油饼.
Okay, so you like this?
Yes.
How do you say chongbi? Okay, so deep fried egg is scallion pancake. And have you tried this when you go to Hualien?
Yes, I tried this twice. It's very delicious.
Haha, okay. You heard it right. It's very delicious. So a must try. Okay?
竹筒饭.
Bamboo rice.
扁食.
Wonton.
麻薯.
Souvenir item. Hualien mochi. Right?
Yes.
Okay, so that's it. Thank you, Elvira. Okay, and I hope to see you again next time.
Yes.
Okay, and once again, let's encourage everyone to let's go to Hualien. Okay, so thank you, Elvira, for joining us today, and thank you for watching. And we will see you again next time. This is our lunch.
This is our day.
This is lunch date with Teacher Mark and
Our lunch.
Elvira. Bye bye.